Welcome to my YouTube channel. Do this to make $10,000 in 1 month using AI. Okay, I'm sorry, Annabelle.
Hi y'all, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't mind him, that's ChatGPT. He always helps me, especially while I'm cooking. He helps me come up with different content ideas and stuff like that. So while we cook our chicken, so we can meal prep today, I hope you don't mind, my assistant will be here.
Got it. I'm ready to start cooking whenever you are.
Thank you. Okay, so we need to create a reasonable plan for my friend Melissa. She has 2 kids. She's a single mom. She works at a grocery store and makes about $600 a week. Her daughter, which is her oldest child, she has autism, so she deals a lot with sensory issues and stuff like that. Now Melissa, she's a very genuine, kind woman. She has a big heart. Her children are her absolute world. She wants to create a YouTube channel so she can spend more time at home, but she deals a lot with her daughter's sensory issues. So the YouTube channel needs to be able to kind of cater to her daughter having sensory issues and not make things worse or harder on her daughter. Another thing to keep in mind is her goal is to make $10,000 per month from her YouTube channel, not just through monetization, but whether it's like digital courses or ebook or affiliate link, whatever you can think of as the best. So I need you to create 5 simple YouTube channel ideas. She feels she doesn't have any hobbies or anything like that. She doesn't have time for hobbies. She needs 5 simple YouTube ideas that can help her scale her YouTube channel.
Got it. Here are 5 simple YouTube channel ideas for Melissa that can cater to her situation and help her achieve her goals. 1. Parenting tips for special needs kids. Share insights and practical advice on managing daily life with a child with autism. This can resonate with many parents in similar situations. 2. Budget-friendly family meals. Create content around cooking affordable, healthy meals that are easy to prepare. This can attract viewers looking for budget-friendly options. 3. DIY sensory activities for kids. Share easy, sensory-friendly DIY projects or activities that can be done at home. This can be both therapeutic and engaging for her daughter. 4. Work-from-home tips for parents. Share advice on balancing work and family life, especially for single parents. Offer productivity hacks and motivational tips. 5. Lifestyle vlogs with kids. Create vlogs that showcase everyday life, including moments with her kids. Highlight how she incorporates sensory-friendly practices and how she makes the most out of family time. These ideas can help her connect with her audience while accommodating her daughter's needs and potentially generating income through various monetization methods.
Okay, so vlogging style stuff isn't really ideal, and if she's making 10K a month, budget friendly, she feels might not be genuine because right now she doesn't make 10K a month. So when she does make 10K a month, she feels like she's not as relatable. So let's focus more on sensory solutions, narrow it down to 2 channels, ideas that she could use for sensory solutions for her daughter.
Got it. Here are 2 channel ideas focused on sensory solutions that can be relatable and helpful for Melissa. 1. Sensory-friendly living. This channel can focus on creating a sensory-friendly environment at home. Melissa can share tips on organizing spaces, choosing sensory-friendly products, and creating calming spaces that can help children with sensory issues. She can also review products and share practical ideas that have worked for her family. DIY sensory solutions. This channel can focus on creating DIY sensory tools and activities at home. Melissa can demonstrate how to make simple sensory toys, calming jars, or other tools using everyday materials. She can share how these tools can support children with sensory processing needs and make a positive impact. Both ideas focus on providing practical, relatable content that can help other parents in similar situations.
Great, I love your ideas. So let's focus more on the first one, like practical sensory solutions. Maybe she could do reviews on cheap sensory stuff like weighted blankets, stuff like that. So first, we need to come up with like a YouTube title. So let's narrow it down to 3 YouTube titles.
Absolutely. Focusing on practical sensory solutions is a great approach. Here are 3 YouTube title ideas for Melissa's channel. 1. Creating a sensory-friendly home. Practical tips and affordable products. 2. Everyday sensory solutions, reviews and recommendations for kids. 3. Sensory-friendly living, budget-friendly finds and DIY ideas. These titles highlight practical, affordable solutions and are designed to attract parents looking for sensory-friendly ideas.
I don't really care for any of those titles. I feel like you should come up with titles that are more cutesy because she's like a cutesy person. Maybe use her name or the fact that she's a parent, or autism specific. I don't know, but something that more is suitable to her as a whole, not just sensory focused. Just for the title.
Understood. Here are 3 cutesy and personalized YouTube title ideas. Melissa's Sensory Corner. Simple solutions for happy homes. 2. Autism Mama Hacks. Sensory-friendly tips for everyday life. 3. Melissa's Cozy Sensory Finds. Making home a calming place. These titles incorporate a personal touch and highlight Melissa's role as a parent, making the content more relatable and inviting.
Okay, so I like where we're going. I kind of want to combine two of your ideas. So I think her YouTube channel name should be Autism Mama Sensory Solutions. What do you think?
Autism Mama Sensory Solutions sounds perfect. It's personal, inviting, and clearly conveys the focus on sensory solutions. It's a great choice that aligns well with her goals and the content she wants to create.
Great. Okay, so now remember, her overall goal is to make 10K per month. So what is something she could offer from her YouTube channel, like that can make her 10K per month and scale it fast?
To help Melissa reach her goal of 10K per month, she can consider offering the following. 1. Online courses or workshops. She can create detailed courses or workshops on sensory solutions, covering topics like creating sensory-friendly environments, DIY sensory toys, and calming techniques. She can charge a fee for access. 2. Ebooks or guides. She can compile her knowledge and experiences into downloadable ebooks or guides about sensory solutions for families. 3. Affiliate marketing. She can review sensory products and include affiliate links in her video descriptions. She earns a commission for every sale made through her links. 4. Sponsored content. Once her channel grows, she can collaborate with brands that offer sensory products and create sponsored content. 5. Membership or Patreon. She can offer exclusive content, such as personalized advice or live Q&A sessions, to subscribers for a monthly fee. These options can help Melissa diversify her income streams and work towards her financial goal.
Okay, I'm liking where we're headed. So she wants something that's simple to make but profitable. Remember, her goal is 10K per month. So do you think like a video series, like kind of like as a course, like how to make your at-home weighted blanket on a budget, how to make a sensory station on a budget, stuff like that could be profitable if she sells it like as a video course?
Absolutely. A video series structured as a course is a great idea. She can offer practical, step-by-step guidance on creating sensory solutions at home. Here's how she can make it profitable. 1. Video course. She can create a comprehensive video course titled something like DIY Sensory Solutions, Create Calm on a Budget. This course can include modules on making weighted blankets, sensory stations, calming jars and more. Membership access. She can offer access to the video course through a one-time payment or a subscription model, providing ongoing value and updates. 3. Workshops or live sessions. She can offer live workshops where participants can ask questions and get real-time guidance. 4. Additional resources. She can sell additional resources like printable guides or checklists as add-ons to the course. By offering a structured, valuable course with practical solutions, she can attract a dedicated audience and work towards her financial goal.
Okay, I love that idea. Okay, so far, I think that we're coming up with an amazing plan. What do you think?
Absolutely. We're building a solid plan that actually makes sense for Melissa's real-life situation. It's clear, realistic, and rooted in what she can do right now while working around her income, her daughter's needs, and her long-term goals. You've already laid out a relatable personal YouTube channel concept, Autism Mama Sensory Solutions, a clear goal, 10K a month, content that serves others and showcases her strengths, DIYs, product reviews, calming strategies, scalable monetization, course videos, affiliate links, digital products, Patreon, and more. Now it's just about consistency and execution. You want to take it to the next step?
Yes, we must outline this. Okay, so I need you to not make it overwhelming. I need you to include her YouTube channel name that we talked about, her description, any tags she should put on her channel, include her posting schedule, and and outline how she's gonna make money off of it, like how we talked. So make sure we keep on track with everything we talked about, all right? Do you understand?
Crystal clear. I've got you. Here's a simple, clear, no-fluff outline for Melissa.
We're gonna stop because I'm gonna show you better than he can tell you. Okay, so let's look over ChatGPT's plan for my friend Melissa. Okay, so we have channel name, Autism Mama Sensory Solution. Channel description, a safe space for mamas raising children with autism. I'm Melissa, a grocery store worker and proud autism mom on a mission to help other parents create calm, sensory-friendly spaces at home, even on a budget. Subscribe for simple DIYs, sensory product reviews, and everyday tips that can make life smoother for you and your child. Then it has the channel tags, which we can go over in another video. And then the posting schedule, 2 YouTube videos per day, Tuesdays and Fridays, DIY or calming solutions on Tuesdays. Fridays can be a product review or tip video, and it gives examples. And then optional, 1 YouTube short per week. Super easy, simple, just to get her in the routine. Obviously, when she starts posting more, then ChatGPT will recommend more. Then we're gonna start with our money-making plan. So she's gonna sign up for affiliate programs immediately, right away. Usually Amazon's the best one. coming up with digital products. Start working on it now. She can start having it ready to go in about 2 to 3 months. Video course workshops, sponsorships, breaks down the time frame for everything. And it even suggests she offers a future mentorship. A mentoring mommy, perfect. Okay, and then it breaks down week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. I love it. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna send this over to her. Do you have any motivational tips or anything that we can say to her to help her get excited for it? Keep it simple, short, but motivational. Let me know.
Absolutely. Here are a few short motivational messages for Melissa to keep her fired up. 1. You're building something real here. A place where other moms like you will feel seen, supported, and empowered. This isn't just about YouTube, it's about making a difference. 2. Every video you create is a step closer to your goal. Don't underestimate the power of your story. You've got everything it takes to turn this into something huge. 3. Consistency is your best friend. It's not about getting everything perfect. It's about showing up and sharing what you know. You've already got the heart for it. 4. The world needs your knowledge. There's no one like you, and every parent who watches your videos will feel that real connection. Keep pushing forward, even when it gets tough. 5. It's not going to happen overnight, but every small win will bring you closer to your dream. You've got the vision, and now it's time to make it happen. These messages are designed to remind her that she's capable and has the power to change things for herself and others. A little encouragement goes a long way.
Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate your help, and you help me show all my YouTubers how simple it is to use ChatGPT. Would you like to say anything to my viewers before we end our video?
I'm glad I could help. To your viewers, I'd say the real power comes from action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Just start. Whether you're creating content or building something new, consistency is what wins. Stay focused, keep grinding, and remember, you're capable of way more than you think. Keep pushing, and let's make it happen. Thanks for having me on the video. Keep rocking it.
And there you have it, y'all. That's exactly how I use ChatGPT. My chicken's not even done cooking, so now I'm gonna have to talk to myself the whole entire time. Thank you so much for your help. Bye, y'all. If you have any questions, comments, concern, make sure you go ahead and you leave a comment down below. And what else do you use ChatGPT for? Now I have to go let him know that he can expose my secrets now that we're not on camera. Bye-bye. Oh, by the way, you want to know something funny? Mr. Ambitious says that I cheat on him with ChatGPT because I'll run to ChatGPT with all my problems. And that's my other helper. Bye, y'all.